this is another case of questionable birth certificate issued through late registration. Wala pong ganyan address o house number sa San Juan. Maniwala ka sa akin. Kabisado ko lahat ng kalsada ron. Madam Chair, it seems that the entries in the birth certificate of Cassie Ong are is quite questionable. No? Walang manghihilot, walang Rosario Mendez, at wala rin yung address San Juan na nakalagay sa kanyang birth certificate. At isa pa, nung mayor ako ng San Juan, libre panganganak doon. At wala rin nakakakilala na sinasabing manghihilot na nagngangalang Rosario Mendez. And there is no basis for the issuance of Cassie Ong's birth certificate. They should be investigated, and they should immediately be cancelled if there are findings.
Totoo kaya ang mga ito? Alamin natin ang buong pangyayari